Yeti has become top of mind when it comes to high quality coolers. There's the best Yeti coolers versus Yeti alternatives as more and more Yeti knockoff brands crop up. Yeti, however, hasn't let that stop them from making coolers in a wide variety of options, from rotomolded shells to soft-sided bags with various storage capacities and use cases. Whether you're opting for the right Yeti for your tailgate or barbecue, or you're a new mother trying to figure out how to keep breast milk frozen on the go, or while you travel, there's literally a Yeti cooler to fit every need. We've done all the legwork for you right here with our Yeti cooler reviews. We've researched and determined the top rated 7 Yeti coolers, as well as the worst one to avoid. And now for the Freshness.com reviews of the 7 best Yeti cooler, plus the worst one to avoid. Coming in at number 1, Yeti Hopper 2 Portable Cooler. Simply put, coolers with shoulder straps offer utility. Whether you're heading to a kid's sporting event and need a cold place for water and sports drinks, or if you're a traveling working mother looking for the best cooler for breast milk storage and transportation, you'll want a sturdy and adaptable icebox, but not necessarily a rugged cooler. If this sounds like you'll be using the cooler for the Yeti Hopper Portable, this is the one for you. It's tough but offers a soft shell and can keep ice cool literally for days, making it ideal for longer trips and cooler temperatures if you are storing consumables like breast milk. There is waterproof and airtight closure, and it does not leak. It also comes with a 3-year warranty. Coming in at number 2, Yeti Cooler's Hopper Flip Soft Side Cooler. The Hopper is fantastic if you just want to grab your things and get going. It also is incredible for keeping ice longer than usual. The cooler is 100% leak-proof and super hardy, and it comes with a ton of features that make it perfect for taking it on adventures. The closed-cell foam makes for superior ice keeping, and the different tie-down points mean you can secure your cooler in a variety of ways. Thanks to the nifty hitch point, it could attach just about anything to the cooler, including a bottle opener and a couple accessories. Coming in at number 3, Yeti Tundra 35 Cooler. If you need a cooler that offers optimal storage and you have the slightly larger budget, go for the Tundra. You can fit as many as 20 cans, and ice will remain cold thanks to the permafrost insulation and extra thick materials. This is a heavy-duty cooler that's hard-wearing and ready to go wherever you need it to. The lid is made of heavy-duty rubber, so it can take you sitting on it, but is still lightweight enough to haul around on your own. Looking to learn more about the best Yeti coolers in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Coming in at number 4, Yeti Roadie 20 Cooler. If you want value for money and immense portability, the Roadie is your best bet. You can fit up to 14 cans in it, and it will keep your ice icy for a good while. The Roadie is just about indestructible with heavy-duty rubber latches, and it weighs just 16 pounds when empty. Coming in at number 5, Yeti Tundra 45 Cooler. The Yeti Tundra 45 Cooler is a hardy, heavy-duty cooler with ample space for transporting anything from adult beverages to breast milk, keeping consumables cold for more than 12 hours at a time, and strong enough to sit on when you need a break. It's stylish and great for road trips. Ladies, keep an eye out for the pink limited edition Yeti Tundra 45 quart cooler. It may be pricey, but it supports a good cause. Coming in at number 6, Yeti Tank 85 Bucket Cooler. The Yeti Tank 85 Bucket Cooler might look like an ice bucket, but only in its shape. This one is great for on the go when you're headed off to a party or barbecue. The ice bucket can hold up to 96 cans, a keg, or even 2 bushels of oysters. It's been designed as a no-leak, no-nonsense, easily portable cooler with military-grade nylon that handles and makes it super easy to grab and fill on the go for any backyard barbecue. Coming in at number 7, Yeti Tundra 105 Hard Cooler. The Yeti Tundra 105 Hard Cooler offers a maximum storage and keeps ice well cold for hours on end, so you can use the ice both for keeping things cold and for putting in your drinks. There's enough space to divide the cooler into sections for food and drinks, and the cooler comes with a food tray that you slide on top, which makes it great for smaller things like cheese and other foods that you wouldn't want to submerge in the ice. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite Yeti cooler. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates. And now for the freshness.com Yeti cooler to avoid. Yeti Tundra 160 cooler white. We're hard pressed to find a Yeti cooler to avoid, but if we have to pick, we'd say the Tundra 160 is the one to avoid. It's worth noting that the model number isn't representative of the actual cooler size, so this model falls under the 13.5 quarts short, which can make a big difference if you want to use the cooler for your beverages. And now for the freshness.com final thoughts on finding one of the best Yeti coolers. While it's tempting to just pick any cooler, it's worth considering that the best Yeti cooler isn't always the most expensive. Each product variation has unique offerings. Carefully look at the options each product offers so that you can figure out which one will fit your needs best. Of course, keeping your things cold for an adequate amount of time is the most important factor, but you may require your cooler to perform more specific functions, be it offering more storage, storing breast milk, storing any types of food or beverages, or being able to take any types of outdoor excursions that you bring it on. Don't pick a cooler just for the sake of it. Use this guide to determine which one will suit your lifestyle the best with the best Yeti cooler available for your needs. Looking to learn more about the best Yeti coolers in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite Yeti cooler. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates.